read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Our today's numbers are 26 to 30. Count and read the given numbers. First of all, we will read the numbers 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We will develop the sense of ones and tens. So, how many tens are there? There are two tens. 10 and 10 make 20. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 20 and 6, 26. It's number 27. How many tens are here? 2 tens. How many ones are there? 7 ones. 10 and 10 make 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27. So, the number is 27. Next number is 28. How many tens are there in 28? 2 tens. And how many ones are there? 8 ones. 10 and 10 make 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 28. The next number is 29. 10 and 10 make 20. How many tens are there in this number? 2 tens. How many ones are there in this number? 9 ones. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 and 10 make 20 and 9 ones. 29. The next number is 30. 3 tens make 30. 10, 10, 10. 10 and 10, 20. 20 and 10, 30. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.